This night's been perfect. Between the lights, the bar, the band, about a service. But if you feel like that tequila ain't working, and you get ready to roll, say the word, we'll hit the road. Tell me where you wanna go, and I can drive the Chevy like a getaway car. Put some review on this rooftop bar. Keep the needle in the red while we're cutting through the dark. I can drive the Chevy like a getaway car. 'Cause I can drive the Chevy like a getaway car. Put some review on this rooftop bar. Keep the needle in the red while we're cutting through the dark. I can drive the Chevy like a getaway car. Getaway car. Where the music's going, I'll hit that gas, get that black smoke rolling. Hit them roads, ain't got no name, but girl, I know. Crank it up when you say it, as quick as you can climb it in. I'll put that bow tie in the wind. 'Cause I can drive the Chevy like a getaway car. Put some review on this rooftop bar. Keep the needle in the red while we're cutting through the dark. I can drive the Chevy like a getaway car. Getaway car. Getaway car. Girl, I can pin you back in the back seat of my sofa back. Make you feel what you got in that Dixie. You better hold on tight. 'Cause I can drive the Chevy like a getaway car. Put some review on this rooftop bar. Keep the needle in the red while we're cutting through the dark. I can drive the Chevy like a getaway car. Getaway car. Getaway car.
Let's learn Getaway Car. It's choreographed by Brandon Zahorsky and Trevor Thornton. It is a 32 count 2-wall beginner level line dance with no tags and no restarts. I'm going to turn around and break down the dance section by section using steps and counts. We'll then practice the front wall all the way through with steps and counts, talk about how to end the dance, and then we're going to go through and dance 4 walls of the dance so that you know how it flows, so you can hopefully dance this on a dance floor near you. So let's turn around and learn Getaway Car. Section 1, you're each going to start on your left foot. We're going to step our right foot to the right side. You're going to drag your left foot into your right. Cross your left behind your right, step your right foot to the right side. We're now going to do a crossing shuffle, left over right, cross left over right, right side, left over right. You're going to rock your right foot to the right side, and as you recover, you're going to make a quarter turn over your left shoulder, putting your weight onto your left foot to face 9 o'clock. So let's try that with some counts. Weight is on your left, doing your side drag. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, 7, 8. Section 2, we're going to make a quarter turn over our left shoulder as we do a side drag. So turning over that left shoulder to face 6 o'clock, you're stepping your right foot to the right side and dragging your left toe into your right. Cross your left behind your right, step your right foot to the right side, and we're going to do a crossing shuffle, left over right, cross left over right, right side, left over right. We're going to rock our right foot to the right side, and as you recover, you're going to make a quarter turn over your left shoulder, putting your weight onto your left foot to face 3 o'clock. So section 1 and section 2 are the same exact footwork, so it's pretty easy to remember the first 16 counts. So let's try that with some counts. Weight is on your left, you're doing your quarter side drag, so it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, 7, 8. Section 3, we're going to step forward with our right foot. Point your left toe to the left side. Step forward with your left, point your right toe to the right side. We're now going to cross our right over our left, step back with your left, step back with your right, and then cross your left over your right. So let's try that with some counts. Weight is on your left, you're doing your step point. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Section 4 in our final section of the dance, we're going to do a slide back. So we're gonna do a big step back with our right, and you're gonna drag that left foot in, and you can choose to either hitch or touch. Both are listed on the step sheet. The hitch is the main one, so that is what I'm going to do, but if you would like to touch, you can replace that hitch with a touch. So we're dragging and hitch, then we're gonna do the same thing with the left, step back with the left, drag that right foot in and hitch your right knee. We're now gonna rock back with our right foot, recover onto your left, step forward with your right and do a half pivot over your left shoulder, putting your weight onto your left foot to face 9 o'clock. Now it is a 2-wall dance, so what we are going to do to keep it a 2-wall dance is you'll make a quarter turn over your left shoulder going into your drag. So really the first 2 sections are exactly the same, they're just facing different ways because you will make that quarter turn to go into section 1 every single time. So let's try that with some counts. We would have just crossed over. You're doing your slide back with a hitch. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And then you'll make that quarter turn to go into the next wall with your side drag. So now let's face the front. We're gonna do it 1 time through with steps, 1 time through with counts. When it is on your left, we're starting with our side drag to the right. So it's side drag, behind side, crossing, shuffle, rock, quarter, recover, quarter, drag, behind side, crossing, shuffle, rock, quarter, recover, step, point, cross, back, back, cross, slide, drag, hitch, rock, back, recover, step, half pivot. Remember to make that quarter turn. Let's try it with some counts. Weight is on your left, stepping to the right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1. Making that quarter turn to start over again. Now, the dance ends on your final crossing, shuffle, rock, quarter, recover. What you're going to do is, instead of making a rock, quarter, recover, you can just rock to the side and recover so that you end facing the front. And you'll hear it coming because it's mostly musical on that last 16 counts. So just replace that quarter turn with a side rock recover and you can end facing 12 o'clock. So now let's go around. On the front wall, I'm going to do steps. Back wall, I'm going to do counts. We're going to dance 4 walls of the dance. Weight is on your left, starting with your side drag. So it's side drag, behind side, crossing, shuffle, rock, quarter, recover, quarter, drag, behind side, crossing, shuffle, rock, quarter, recover, step, point, cross, back, back, cross, drag and hitch, rock, back, recover, half pivot, make your quarter turn. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Make your quarter turn, quarter drag. Behind side, crossing, shuffle, rock, quarter, recover, quarter, drag. Behind side, crossing, shuffle, rock, quarter, recover, step, point, cross, back, 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 drag, hitch, rock, back, recover, step, half, pivot, quarter, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, 7, 8, quarter, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And then you will keep going until the music ends. So now that you've learned it with the tutorial, you can use the timestamp in the video description below to skip to the rear demo so you can practice as much as you would like, so you can hopefully go out and dance this on a dance floor near you. I hope this helped you learn Getaway Car. If you have any questions, let me know. Thanks, guys.
It's nice and perfect between the lights, the bar, the band, about a service. But if you feel like that tequila ain't working, and you get ready to roll, say the word, we'll hit the road. Tell me where you wanna go, and I can drive the Chevy like a getaway car. Put some review on this road. Crank it up a new sequence.